Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you my new pin maker. I bought this from, what is it? American button maker. I'll put the link down below. So these are the ones that I have made. If this can focus, that is. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yep. So these are little Animal Crossing ones, the turnips. I'm gonna be showing you how I make it. So first things first, I already got everything set. I got everything cut. Let me show you an example actually, so you won't just think, you just think like, okay, well, how you cut it. So I use this. It's like a little circle cutting thingy-majig. This basically cuts exactly the size that you want for your pins without a fail. So specifically, this is 1.25, and I use a template. I sized it up, made the drawing, and it's exactly that size. So all you have to do is put it right in here, slide it in there, and then I put it down. If you're wondering why it's like super rough, usually it isn't. It's just the fact that you're supposed to mostly use regular printer papers. Do not follow what I do, at least on this one. I mean, you can. It's not gonna risk too much, but I wouldn't suggest. Push this little thing up, and here you go. Got the exact size. I'm not using that because obviously there's a lot more white, but it's just an example for me to show you. So yeah, this is the little cutter, and then you got, which is the button maker. This is where the magic all happens. It's my favorite part actually. So this one, what we have to do here, let me show you so I give you a better look. So this side is a little deeper and this side is a little more higher. I learned this from YouTube as well, so I'll show you how I learned. So from here, just make sure this is the little cap. Just make sure to always feel it, because sometimes they are latched together and you don't want to put them together and clank it in and bam, you got a jam. You don't want that. So always do what I do. Just feel it up until you feel there's just only one single one. Right? And you put this into the higher one. That is where your little cover goes. Then you take your little picture and you put it right in there. Just adjust it a bit. Okay. Like that. Then you take this little clear paper. This clear paper is called Mylar. It's a little protection seal, I guess you can call it. And just slide that right in there. Then the last piece is this. This is the backing of your pin. Always make sure that it is facing this way, which is your left. And always make sure when you look through the hole, there's that little hoop. Make sure it's pointing that way. That way it can be even. It won't be crooked or any of that. It'll just be lined the way it should be. Put that into the deeper little section. Now here's where the fun begins, the whole magic of this whole process. So Also, awesome thing. You could just like turn it around very smoothly. I like that part. But anyway, that's what you do. You move in the picture part first, and then let me just put this down for a sec. Oops. Okay. As you can see, woo, disappeared. Not really. It's actually inside here. It's holding it. And then just move it the other way. Push the lever down again. Nice and tight. Pull it up. And bam. There is your pin. Pretty awesome, right?